In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a user's phone to a different model. For my scenario, my end user is Robert Ray, and he's getting a new model phone. He currently has a 6863 desktop phone, and I'm going to replace that phone with the 6867 desktop phone. This is a 5-step process. Review the current phone information, delete the primary phone associated with the user account, add a primary phone associated with the user account, activate the phone number, and if necessary, the user will activate the phone using the auto install process. Step 1. Review the current phone information. From the main menu on the left, click on Provisioning. Then click on Users. Select your group. Make sure in the User Mode field you select Advanced. To narrow my search, I will search by last name, Ray. There is Robert Ray. To the right of this entry, click on Edit. This will bring up 3 tabs. Select the Phones tab. There are all of the devices that are associated with this user. Some possible examples of entries would be a shared call appearance, communicator clients, and primary. The line with the type primary is the desktop phone. To the right of that line, click on Edit. There are 3 pieces of information we need. The phone device format. The format can vary. This is really about housekeeping and following the same format that is used in your system. The format in my system is the user's first and last name, the last 4 digits of the user's phone number, and the phone model. We also need the phone number, which is found in the line/port field. And we need to know the phone's location information. With this information recorded, we are now ready to click on the Delete button to delete this primary phone. Then click on the OK button to confirm that you want to delete the primary phone. This brings us back to the Phones tab. Notice in the phone's device summary below, the primary phone information is no longer there because we just deleted it. Step 3. Add a new primary phone. Click on the Add Primary Phone button. In the Phone Device drop-down field, we want to select New Phone Device. Then enter the device name. So for my example, that would be Robert Ray, the last 4 digits of the phone number, 3401, and the phone model, 6867. I will select Group for my level. For the device type, I will select the 6867. Select the phone template. For this user, I will select a template that fits this user's needs. If you would like to review a template, you can click on the View Template to see how the template you selected is set up. Then if you want a different template, you can change it and review that one. Once you've selected the template, the next field is Phone Location. Enter the phone's physical location. In the MAC address field, you have 2 choices. As a side note, both options require that option 66 is set up on your DHCP server. Your first choice is to enter the phone's MAC address. The MAC address is located on a label on the back of the phone. Or, your second choice, you can enter in a device ID. This will be used for the auto install process. To enter the device ID, enter 00 plus the 10-digit phone number. So for my example, 00 469 365 3401, which is my user's 10-digit phone number. This will cause the phone to use the auto install process. So when the phone is plugged in at the user's desk, they will be prompted to enter in their 10-digit phone number and to verify their name. The phone will reboot and be ready for service. After you have entered in the MAC address or the auto install device ID, scroll up to the top of the screen and click on the OK button. Step 4. Click on the User tab. Then to the right of the phone number, click on Activated. This will activate the phone number. Then click on the OK button. This will save and update the user account. At this point, disconnect the old phone and connect the new phone. If you use the auto install method, once the phone is plugged in, the user can enter in the phone number and verify their name. The phone will reboot and be ready for use. This completes this tutorial on how to change a user's phone to a different model.